Do I dare ask?
Yes, I'll start with the carpaccio, and then I'll have the grilled prawns.
That sounds great. Same for me.
And for the gentleman?
Yeah, I'll have the Thai chicken pizza. But hey, look, if I get it without the nuts and leeks and stuff, is it cheaper?
You'd think, wouldn't you? Miss?
Okay, I will have the side salad.
And what would that be on the side of?
I don't know. Why don't you just put it right here next to my water?
And for you?
I'm gonna have a cup of the cucumber soup and, take care.
I will have the Cajun catfish.
Anything else?
Yes, how about a verse of Killing Me Softly? You're gonna sneeze on my fish, aren't you?